day one of getting this camper ready for a 10,000-mile road trip to Alaska. To maintain a vintage look, the appliances might be the only thing we keep. We obviously have some water damage, so I'm going to completely strip down the inside of the camper down to the frame. Over the next few months, we will be completely rebuilding this camper and truck into a vintage earth roamer. We will be documenting the whole process of swapping the engine, transmission, wheels, tires, and pretty much everything else to get ready to hit the road this summer. So if you haven't already, make sure you follow along.